Paul here, 78 Seeking Lincoln. In today's video, we're going to quickly go over how to dry wash a classic vehicle. So anyway, sit back, kick back. I'm going to show you a couple of the things that we're going to use today. Real simple, really easy. Anybody can do it, and it's so much better than exposing your vehicle to, water, which is, is a plus for an older car like this. So anyways, without further ado, let me show you what's going on. Okay, so you can see I've got a Lucas Slick Mist Speed Wax, just a regular everyday microfiber. So I tried to do this when the light would show you like how much dust is on the vehicle. So you can see it's all over. It's not super dirty, but it definitely is not clean. So I probably should have done this a little bit earlier, but hey, we're going to try it anyway, see how it comes out. So basically first you just go like this, spray the surface down. I like to fold the rag in squares like this, and then you'll just simply rub it out. Wax on, wax off. And hopefully you're getting a good view of this, but I mean you can see what it's doing. Okay? And it's such a better alternative to wet washing your car. Because think about it, a vehicle that is this old, all the water gets into all those cracks and crevices. Well, it's just not a good thing, you know what I mean? So this is always just a better way to take care of it. I mean, you can see, hopefully you can see. Not, we'll do this video another time. I'll at least post this just to kind of give you a preview for what's to come. Okay, let's go ahead and add a little bit more. See, it doesn't take much. And then as the sides of the towel get dirty, like they are, okay, and we'll just take it, fold it, make sure there's no debris on it, you know what I mean? Okay, so okay, perfect. Okay. Hopefully you're getting this. We shall see. I can't believe I come out here, I sit out here for like a half an hour and it's silent. Alright? Decide to do this video, grab the camera, and these suckers are singing so loud right now. I cannot wait to see what they sound like on this video. But anyways, if anybody's curious, that is a cicada. And the amazing thing about them is they're actually burrowers. They live in the soil for up to 17 years, right? Then they come out, they climb up a tree as a totally different kind of bug. They metamorphose into a flying insect. They feed off the sap of trees. Interestingly enough, they mate, and then that's it. They're a delicacy to other birds too. They're not the greatest of flyers. I remember trying to catch them as a kid, and I did so successfully. Sometimes I'd bring them home all the time, but they'd like pee on you if they got away. Like they'd take off and then just. Anyways, and Okay, got a loop there. Okay. So hopefully okay, and there's the test. See how that kind of slides right across the vehicle? Check it out. Let's do that again. That's always the test. That's how you know it's right. That's how you know. Anyways, there she is. She's a beauty. I still got a lot of stuff planned on her. Gonna do the radiator very soon, probably next week. I'm gonna make the video for the how I repaired the cruise control, because that's gonna be one that helps a lot of people that have this particular platform of vehicles. Just because it's a Lincoln, it's all good. Any of the Ford products made during this era, you know, 77 to 79, a lot of these repairs will work on. So it's the same components. Anyhow, thanks for checking in, and just wanted to share that with you. Paul here, 78 Sneakin' Lincoln. Today's video, we're going to go through real quickly on how to dry rot.